Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm going to start applying this mask to freshly washed hair starting at the back. I'm applying it quite gently because this mask doesn't have any slip. You want to make sure that you're not raking through your hair or combing through it because you'll experience a lot of pulling and it won't be a pleasant experience. So just gently coat the hair, make sure you're coating it thoroughly, and I also try to apply it a little bit further down from my scalp just to prevent any buildup or residue. Greek yogurt is a really great natural protein, especially for hair. I've found that a lot of store-bought protein treatments can be very drying, especially for my hair type, which is very kinky and very prone to breakage. So I thought I would try something more natural and see what kind of results I get. The honey in this mask will work as a humectant, which is meant to draw moisture to the hair, and the banana will add a little bit of moisture and some shine to my hair as well. I don't do protein treatments very often, but I figured winter is still underway and it's worth giving my hair a little bit of a boost in strength, so I decided to try out this recipe. And I always recommend, after doing any kind of protein treatment or any kind of protein mask, to follow up with the right products. So you don't want to leave your hair to dry out because that will encourage breakage. So make sure that you're adding moisture to your hair, you're hydrating your hair, you're misting it with water or any kind of water-based product, and you're sealing that water in with a moisturizing product, which would be something like a butter or a cream that is more of an occlusive. That's really going to seal everything in. So now that I'm done applying the entire mask to my hair, I am going to go ahead and cover my hair with a plastic bag for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm going to deep condition with heat, and afterwards I'll rinse it out and see how my hair feels. Okay guys, so I'm back. I rinsed my hair and this is it with no product. I did a little bit of drying with a t-shirt just to get some of the water out. But this is it. These are my curls. I have not done anything. I have not combed through it. This is just my hair in its natural damp state. It feels pretty good. It doesn't feel stripped. It doesn't feel super dry. It feels quite moisturized. And I would definitely try this mask again with a few modifications, but for my first attempt, I'm pretty happy with it. Alright guys, so after I did the Greek yogurt mask, I had my hair in twists for about 2 days, and so this is my hair after I took my twists out after the mask. It feels quite moisturized. I'm surprised. I thought it would start to get really dry after the following day, but it stayed quite moisturized and really soft too, so I'm pleased with how it turned out. My only modification would probably be to add some oil to the mask, like an olive oil, coconut oil, but overall I'm glad with the result, and it's something that I'll definitely try again. If you are feeling adventurous and up for it, give it a try, see how it goes. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.